Absolutely important points you raised there, Ashutosh. This is, in fact, a failure of the railway administration in anticipating the number of people that will be traveling. You know, from the number of people who were buying the tickets, it could have been easier to ascertain how many people will be there at the railway station, essentially, with the kind of crowd that was to be expected at the railway station. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is also at the New Delhi railway station. She's joining me live on the broadcast. Shreya, what can you tell us from what really happened last night? Help us build like a sequence of events that can help us understand what really led to the stampede. Because the railways, they did issue a statement saying that there were unprecedented crowds at the railway station last night, which led to the stampede happening.
Well, absolutely. Chetna, essentially we need to understand from the visuals itself, it directly indicates the kind of overcrowding that was there at the time of the stampede. Now, what essentially happened was the delay of the two trains, which was to lead to Kumbh. These were devotees who were waiting to board their trains. They were waiting in packed numbers. They were obviously more than the estimated numbers. This is not the first time that the railway authorities are facing this. Ever since the Kumbh Mela started, we've seen several videos of people crowding at railway stations trying to get on the trains. What essentially might have happened, Chetna, yesterday is that when the entire station was flocked, these two trains delayed. Finally, when an announcement was made that the train was actually reaching the destined platform number, people who were way behind the said platform must have started rushing towards it. Usually a stampede happens of such an order when a large number of people are trying to force a way to one particular direction. Thereby, there are multiple others who get injured. So that's essentially what might have transpired. We've seen a high-level inquiry that's already been ordered into this entire incident. 18 people, unfortunately, have lost their lives. Compensation have already been declared. We've also heard from the DCP of Railways. He suggested that this was unprecedented crowd that suddenly fueled, and that's exactly what led to the incident. Right now, if I tell you about New Delhi railway station, things are normal. But the visuals that we saw during the time of the stampede, which begins at around 9:30 to 10 p.m., that's the intervening time between which the stampede essentially took place, is what sources are suggesting. At that point of time, it was in very unfortunate situation. The last visuals that we saw of people fainting and falling down, we've heard how coolies have actually rushed these injured people to the hospitals, not by just ambulances, but ferrying them through local taxis, etc., to LNGP, Aramal, etc. Some have succumbed to their lives, some are still under the treatment, but extremely unfortunate incident. It is indeed something that points out that the lack of crowd management that still exists within our authorities. We've not learned from past stampedes, and that's a very unfortunate scenario.
Thanks for bringing us those details on that story. I also have Piyush Mishra, who's joining us live on the broadcast from LNJP Hospital. Piyush, what can you tell us about the eyewitness accounts? We heard many people saying that there was a lack of proper checks at the railway station, which led to the stampede happening. What are you hearing?
Well, absolutely, Chetna. We are hearing multiple accounts from eyewitnesses where they are telling us that there was no arrangement made by the railway officials there. The crowd was allowed to continue to swell in there at the railway station, and that is why due to sudden rush we saw the stampede also took place. Initially the railway was denying about the fact that the stampede took place, but later on railway had to accept that yes, a stampede took place, which led to loss of multiple lives. 18 people have died and many of them are injured. Though railway has also officially announced compensation to the people who have died, 10 lakh for people who have died, 2.5 lakh for seriously injured, and 1 lakh for injured. This is the bracket which has been announced also by railway officials, and all those people were also brought here at LNJP Hospital. 2 of them were also taken to Lady Hardinge Hospital. So as of now, the hospital officials have also not given any official media reaction, but yes, the incident is raising a lot of questions over the arrangements that were made yesterday there at New Delhi railway station, and it is also indicating towards the lapses at the part of railway officials. Though railway is indeed saying that they have ordered an high-level inquiry and they are waiting for the report to be submitted, but we'll have to see what will come out this inquiry. But the kind of incident which took place raises a lot of questions over the railway officials, and also indicating towards a massive failure at the part of railway officials.
Absolutely, Piyush. Thanks for bringing us those details on that story. Let's also listen into an eyewitness account from the stampede that took place at the New Delhi railway station.
ये अरसा ऐसा हुआ था साहब, प्लेटफार्म चेंज हो गया एकदम। अंदर के लोग, बाहर के लोग तो अंदर गए, उसके इधर के लोग इधर आने लगे, तो एकदम पब्लिक बच गई। तो जीने पे और एस्केलेटर पे गिर गए पब्लिक, तो वो दब गए। दबने के बाद हमको ठीक पड़ा, कुली भाई गेट पे नंबर लगा रहे थे, उनको ठीक पड़ा, वो भाग के आया, उन्हें पूरी तरफ का रास्ता बंद किया, पब्लिक आने से रोकी। जिसके बाद में वो लाशों को हमने एम्बुलेंस बुलाई और 15 लाशों को एम्बुलेंस में रखी। ये अरसा हुआ साहब नई दिल्ली के रेलवे स्टेशन के अंदर।
क्या मंजर था उस वक्त? भीड़ काफी थी, लोग
और इतनी भीड़ साहब, मैंने सन 81 से रह रहा हूँ, अब तक ऐसी भीड़ कभी भी नहीं देखी।
तो क्या मंजर था? लोग एक दूसरे के ऊपर चढ़े हुए थे कि चीख मुकार?
नहीं, एकदम गिर गए तो लोग दब गए। जो गिर गए वो दोबारा उठ नहीं पाए। पब्लिक के इतनी भीड़ में एक बार दब गए तो वो दोबारा नहीं उठे। ये है साहब।
आपको देख के लग रहा है आप काफी घबराए हुए हैं क्या?
अरे साहब, खाना नहीं खाया रात की टाइम में, वो लाशों को देख के हमने, मेरी कसम, खाना नहीं खाया रात को। और हमारा रोज अब तक भी नहीं डट रहा। वो ऐसा हादसा देखा हमने, ऐसा जिंदगी में नहीं देखा। मैं मौजूद ही में था।
That's the big story we're tracking. We'll be continuing our coverage of the tragic stampede that took place in the national capital.